here and the resources are here, so we cannot fill that gap.
We have to aware and we have to change our mentality towards the thing.
Why India is only a developing country, not developed one. So I want to add some points here to evidence my sentence, my statement. That is, first one is overpopulation. As we all know that India is a country which is in first in terms of population, and but the resources we have is limited. So since we all know that number of people are like here and the resources are here, so we cannot fill that gap, and because of that only like people, the more India will get developed, the more people will get destroyed, because we don't value like free things. If we are in school, we were used to be in school, and when I passed out, so I saw many students of my class only, they were it's not my class now, we are graduated from this, so let's break it down before we move from that class. My second point would be that technology, although sometimes it happens that we have that people in our like professor we have in India who have so many good ideas and all, but one thing we are lacking, that is technology. We don't have technology to put our ideas into actions. If we will not be having any ingredients, so how will we cook a food? So that's the point. And the third is going to be decline in the participation of women in workforce. As we all know that India is like 60% men and 40% women, let's assume. So if that 40% women will not contribute towards production of goods and services, and they will just they will just work at home, so what is going to happen? It will indirectly lead to reduction in our GDP, and we have to import our things which will be costly for us, and by this indirectly we are getting dependent on some other country. So how will we become developed one? So now I would like to end up my speech with the conclusion that country our India would be developed one only and if we each and every one is contributing and putting their efforts to develop our India. That's all. Thank you.
My name is Nikita, and my today's topic is about why India is developing country and not developed. So let me tell you, because of some reasons, I think because of education, obviously, because in country there are half percentage, let's just suppose half percentage is girls and half is boys, and if girls in rural areas, they think that girl we don't need to teach girls because of their thinking, their mentality and all of that. So if they will start give education to boys only, and if as I already told you about that 50% is girls and 50% is boys, then how will our growth, India's growth, how will GDP will increase? Because if they were not giving contribution to our country, then how will it goes? And my second point is about corruption. I know government give lots of money to the officers to take care of streets and all of that, but some corrupted officer, they take that money and take some amount from that money and don't invest in the structure. So if I give you one example, suppose there is someone is making flyover, okay, and the officer who is contractor, they take some money from the amount and they just invest only less amount to flyover. Then what will happen? We heard so many news about it that flyover some flyover is destroyed, and because of that so many people killed because of that. And why this happened? Because of their corruption. And now let me tell you one more example of it, mentality. If suppose that the officer is not corrupted, they are not taking any money from the government, they invest all the money in the flyover, but people don't take care of it because they think it's not our, why will I take care? Because if I give you one example, that when we are in a street, people throw the garbage in the street, they think it's not our home, why will we do it, why will we clean it, why will we put the garbage in dustbin, they will just throw it out. And because of their mentality, India will not going to clean and develop, because government will going to provide one officer that authority to clean the road. what will he do? He will clean, and then some other person will destroy that again, throw the garbage in it. So for that reason, let me conclude my speech by saying that, like, first of all, obviously we need education. We need to educate, aware people, and second of all, like, we have to aware and we have to change our mentality towards the thing that obviously it's our India, so it's our responsibility to contribute in this. So thank you so much.